In this video, you'll learn how to change the color theme of an entire design in Inkscape. Let's say we have this design, and we want to change its overall color scheme. One way to do this is by selecting individual objects and manually changing their colors. But this is a very time-consuming process. Fortunately, Inkscape provides a built-in extension that makes changing the color theme much easier. To do this, go to the Extensions menu, then to Color, and select HSL Adjust. HSL stands for Hue, Saturation, and Lightness. Hue changes the type of color, saturation controls how intense or vivid the color is, and lightness adjusts how light or dark the color appears. Now, if I check the live preview and adjust the hue slider, you'll see the color theme of our design changes. Each time you modify the hue value, the colors shift to a different palette. You can also adjust the saturation and lightness values based on your needs. When you're happy with the results, click Apply, and the new theme will be applied to the entire design. Right now, we haven't selected any specific objects, which is why the entire document's colors have changed. If you want only certain objects to change color, you need to select them first, and then apply the extension.